Good morning, my dear third grade students. Welcome back to Moral Online Class. Today we will discuss the 10th chapter, that is page number 52 in your moral book. The topic of this chapter is the gift of peace. The gift of peace. So here the echo of peace. See a story of a small little boy, Sarah. Sarah was the main character of the story, Sarah. This boy was upset. Why he was upset? The day was gone wrong for him. Why the day was wrong for him? So in the morning, his mother scolded him for waking up late, and in the school, the teacher scolded him. What's the reason for scolding that boy? Yes, this boy forgot to take his history book to school. So the teacher also scolded him. So after school, he missed the school bus almost. He missed the school bus, but he ran to catch it. Okay, so totally this day was upset, upset to Sarah. Okay. So what you do know? In the evening, he walked to a park nearby. Coming to the way is go near even near the park. The park was surrounded by mountains. So looking to the mountain, he said, I hate everyone. I hate everyone. Okay, then I hate you too. Again, he heard a sound from the mountain, I hate you too. So again, Sarah was very upset. He did not want anyone to hate him. So he was so sad. This mountain also hated me. What he thought means, there is a boy in the mountain who was shouting that I hate you too. Sarab was afraid of this boy. What he do know? He ran home and told his mother about the things happens in the park. So his mother laughed and said, that voice of this boy you heard is an echo. It will stay whatever you say. She explained. Okay, if you go near the mountains and if you say loudly means you will hear a sound from the mountains. So if you tell I hate you means you will also hear the sound from the mountains. I will hate you. So go back. What the mother told to Sarah? Go back near the mountain and say some nice words and see what the mountain says. So he went to the park again, and then what did he do? So he asked again, will you be my friend? He asked loudly what he asked, will you be my friend? So the same words came back from the mountain. So he is so happy. So he went to home and told his mother about the things happened in the park. So what his mother told, if we say nice things to him, it will say nice things only. Okay, so that is why we should do with everyone's. The true gift of peace is making someone happy with what we say and do for them. So what's the moral of the story, ma? So if we love another means they will also love us. If we hate means they will also hate us. Then, so if we speak, for example, we speak politely to a person means he will also say the answer politely. If we ask any questions harshly means the reply also be very harshly. So depending upon our questions only we will get the answer, isn't it? So see ma, the next page number 54. So you see, let understand. So here they given the Peace is the most important thing we can give each other. So peace is the important thing. So already you know what is my peace? Maybe okay. So always what we do, always do things what make others peace or happy. Okay, before doing anything to others, think 2 or 3 times whether it will make happy or sad, or whether it will give peace to that person. Okay, so making others happy is a good habit. Okay, if you are speaking means also speak before, think before 2 or 3 times before speaking. So what you are speaking, whether it will hurt the person or whether he feels happy while we are talking this. Okay, these are the some of the things. Then the next page they have given one dove. Okay, peace dove. Peace means automatically what will comes in your mouth, which bad, this dove bad. Okay, here they ask, here is a peace dove. Find out the word for peace in different language and write them inside the dove. Okay, find out the word for peace in different language. So in Tamil you write, so English you know, then in Telugu you write, then Hindi you write. So some of the language, what are the languages you are familiar with the languages, you write here the word peace. Okay, so in Tamil we say Amaidi. Peace means Amaidi. Okay, see the next remark. Let us make a gift for a friend. Take a sheet of plain paper, color the edges to make it pretty. Fold it into two. On the outside, write the title peace, my gift to you. On the inside page, draw a picture of peace, then give a friend the card. Thank you, my dear students.